everyone, today MFB and CFA are at Fed Square to get everyone thinking about smoke alarm safety. This year daylight savings ends on Easter, so we're hosting an Easter egg hunt to make sure everyone remembers when they change their clock to change their smoke alarm battery. And the Easter egg hunt is about to begin.
The cost of replacing a battery or a faulty smoke alarm is minuscule compared to the damage and potential fatality that could occur as a result.
So our message to Victorians is, as you turn your clock back on Saturday night in the lead up to Sunday morning, also check the batteries on your smoke alarm and change them over because such a small action could save your family's life.
We're asking you to do your bit. We'll do ours, but you must do yours.